taking away my breath when you tell me that you think it's hopeless. Turning away again, telling you that we can work this out, but you'd rather drop it.
It's a flop, better to leave it right. Normally hard to pull the trigger, but you did it. Yeah, you shot. Accelerated the plot just to say I forgot about the pain and the struggles we went through. You got the shaking away.
Promising nothing but better days. Now you're giving up all that we made. Too late to fix, you're telling me everything eventually fades.
Easy for you to say that we have nothing. Easy for you to pray for something better next, to make me into another story of what could have been. It must be
to say that we have nothing left, to pray for something better next, to make me into another story of what could have been. It must be.
Tell me your time was real. How can you be so quick to deceive? Cause if it's not love I feel, then why am I hoping you're lying? I thought it was perfect timing.
Leave me in the middle cause you've gone on way too far. I don't like you just a little, you done stole my heart. Living in my head, you take up every single part. If you could see what I could see, maybe you wouldn't wanna leave, yeah.
Promising nothing but better days. Now you're giving up all that we made. Too late to fix, you're telling me everything eventually fades. Easy for you to say that